Okay, boys and girls, this is your last lesson for today, and it is going to be a good lesson, and then y'all can get outside. In the last lesson, we learned about sounds that birds make, and what are some sounds that birds make? Do y'all remember? There were 3 sounds birds made. So, call, drumming, song. Call, drumming, and song. Very good. What are the reasons that birds make these sounds? Do you remember some birds made the sounds to warn each other of danger, to attract a mate? Chicks would call to their parents if they were hungry or frightened. So you need to remember those things. Those all need to go on our What We Learned chart. Today you are going to learn how to identify what birds eat by the shape of its bill. I need you to get your Investigating Birds booklet out, and I need you to have your colored pencils ready. You need orange, green, red, blue, purple, and yellow. So pause the video and get those out. I want you to look at the title of page 8. The title of page 8 says, How to Tell What a Bird Eats by Its Bill. Let's look at paragraphs 1 and 2. Different birds eat different things. You can often tell what a bird eats by looking at its bill. A bird that eats insects has a curved, narrow bill. It uses its bill to pick insects from the ground and from trees. Okay, what do bills of a bird that eats insects look like? If you said curved and narrow, you are correct. How does having a curved, narrow bill help them? They can pick up insects. So the first sentence of paragraph 2, I want you to get your orange colored pencil and I want you to underline curved, narrow bill, okay? I want you to underline curved, narrow bill, just like I did, okay? So this yellow warbler has a curved, narrow bill, and I want you to color that yellow warbler's curved bill with your orange crayon or your orange colored pencil, because a yellow warbler is a bird that eats insects. Now, some birds, boys and girls, eat seeds. Let's find out about the bill of birds that eat seeds. Follow along as I read paragraph 3. A bird that eats seeds has a short, thick bill with a cone shape. It needs a strong bill to crush the hard seeds. So what does the bill of a bird that eats seeds look like? Short and thick. How does having a short, thick bill help them? They are able to crush the hard seeds. So in the first sentence of paragraph 3, get your green colored pencil and circle the word seeds, okay? Circle the word seeds. Circle the word seeds. Oh, excuse me, y'all. We were supposed to circle insects with our orange colored pencil. Go back and circle insects with your orange. So, what does the bill of a bird that eats seeds look like? It has a short, thick bill, so it can crush the hard seeds. I want you to underline short, thick bill, so it can crush the hard seeds. So of this house finch, I want you to color his bill green. It is short and thick, and it is the bill of a seed crusher. It is the bill of a seed crusher. Okay, boys and girls, let's look at paragraph 4. Look at paragraph 4. A bird that eats meat has a hooked bill. A hooked bill helps the bird tear the animal's flesh. Ugh. A bird that eats meat often has sharp talons, boys and girls. Okay, I want you to get your red colored pencil. A red colored pencil. So, for the meat eater, I want you to circle meat. For the meat eater, you have a hooked bill. The hooked bill helps to tear the animal's flesh. Okay? And I want you to color this red-tailed hawk's hooked, flesh-tearing bill. I want you to color it red. Color that red. Okay? So our red-tailed hawk is a meat eater. The house finch is a seed crusher, a seed eater. And the yellow warbler is an insect eater, okay? And the yellow warbler picks insects from the ground with its little curved, narrow bill, right? All right, let's move on down to a bird that eats fish, okay? Some birds eat fish, like this great blue heron. Let's read about it. A bird that eats fish has a long, pointed bill. It uses its long, pointed bill to reach into the water to catch a fish. So what does the bill of a bird that eats fish look like? What does it look like? Take your blue pencil. A bird that eats fish, circle fish, has a long, pointed bill. It uses its long pointed bill to reach into the water to catch fish. So let's color the bill of this blue heron, this great blue heron, this fish catching bill. We are going to color it blue. Blue reminds us of the water that it's going to dip into. Okay, now we're going to look at the next type of bird. A bird that eats plants or small animals from the water usually has a wide bill, okay? It usually has a wide bill. So in paragraph 6, I want you to get your purple pencil. I want you to circle plants. So a bird that eats plants or small animals has a wide bill. So let's color this mallard duck with a wide bill. We're going to color it purple. What kind of feet does a mallard have? What does its feet look like? They're webbed, aren't they, to propel them through the water. Now, a bird that drinks nectar from a flower has a long, thin bill. Like this. Can you see this long, thin bill on this hummingbird right here? So this is a hummingbird, the ruby-throated hummingbird. And we're going to get our yellow. And so a bird that drinks flower nectar has a long, thin bill. Can you see that? So we're going to color the ruby-throated hummingbird's bill with our yellow colored pencil because it drinks flower nectar with a long, thin bill. Just like you see this hummingbird here. I saw a hummingbird outside my house yesterday morning. So boys and girls, what I want you to do now, I want you to look over those, look over their types of bills that they have. I want you to look at what they eat. And then I want you to complete your Lesson 72 review for me, okay? You can look back in your booklet, look at how you color-coded everything, complete the Lesson 72 lesson review, and you'll turn that in to me.